Welcome back to Total Vigor, your go-to channel for all things health and wellness. Are you ready to take your meal prepping game to the next level? In this video, we will delve into the world of meal prepping with expert insights from professional nutritionists. Meal prepping is not just a trend, it's a lifestyle choice that can have a significant impact on your health and nutrition. By clearly explaining the importance of meal prepping for health and nutrition, we aim to empower you to make informed decisions about your diet. Planning and preparing your meals in advance can help you stay on track with your health goals, save time, and ensure you are fueling your body with the right nutrients. Learning from professional nutritionists can provide you with valuable tips and strategies to optimize your meal prepping routine. From portion control to balanced meal plans, these experts can help you create a sustainable and enjoyable approach to eating well. Get ready to revolutionize your meal prep game and unlock the secrets to a healthier, happier you. Stay tuned for practical advice and inspiration to kickstart your journey towards mastering meal prepping. Benefits of meal prepping: maintaining a healthy lifestyle and achieving nutrition goals. Meal prepping offers a multitude of benefits that can transform the way you approach food and nutrition. For busy individuals, the time-saving advantages of meal prepping are unparalleled. By dedicating a few hours each week to preparing your meals in advance, you can save precious time during hectic weekdays and ensure that you always have healthy options readily available. In addition to saving time, meal prepping can also aid in portion control and calorie management. By portioning out your meals in advance, you can avoid overeating and maintain a balanced diet. This can be especially helpful for those looking to manage their weight or achieve specific nutrition goals. One of the often overlooked benefits of meal prepping is the financial savings it can bring. By buying ingredients in bulk and preparing meals at home, you can significantly reduce your food expenses and avoid the temptation of eating out regularly. Not only is meal prepping good for your health, but it's also good for your wallet. Nutritional guidelines: meal prepping for optimal health and wellness. When it comes to meal prepping for optimal health and wellness, there are key nutritional principles to keep in mind. One of the most important factors is ensuring that your meals contain balanced macronutrients. This means incorporating a good balance of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats to provide your body with the energy and nutrients it needs to function at its best. In addition to macronutrients, it's crucial to include a variety of fruits and vegetables in your meal prepping routine. Fruits and vegetables are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are essential for overall health and well-being. By incorporating a rainbow of colors into your meals, you can ensure that you are getting a wide range of nutrients to support your body. Hydration is another key aspect to consider when meal prepping. Staying properly hydrated is essential for maintaining optimal health and supporting your body's functions. Make sure to include plenty of water-rich foods in your meal preps and remember to drink an adequate amount of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and energized. Meal prepping strategies: expert tips for effective meal prepping techniques. Ready to elevate your meal prepping game with expert strategies and tips from nutritionists? Let's dive into some key techniques that can help you streamline your meal prep process and set yourself up for success. Batch cooking and smart storage methods are essential components of effective meal prepping. Nutritionists recommend preparing large batches of staple ingredients, such as grains, proteins, and vegetables, that can be easily mixed and matched to create a variety of meals throughout the week. Invest in quality storage containers to keep your prepped ingredients fresh and organized for quick and convenient access. To cater to individual dietary preferences or restrictions, nutritionists suggest planning meals that can be easily customized. Whether you follow a specific diet like vegan or gluten-free, or have food allergies to consider, incorporating versatile ingredients and meal components can help you adapt recipes to suit your needs without sacrificing flavor or nutrition. Creating versatile meal components, such as roasted vegetables, cooked grains, and protein sources, can simplify meal assembly and make it easier to mix and match ingredients for a variety of dishes. By prepping versatile components ahead of time, you can save time and effort while still enjoying delicious and nutritious meals tailored to your tastes. Ingredient selection. Choosing the right ingredients for nutritional balance and flavor. Selecting the right ingredients is key to successful meal prepping that not only ensures nutritional balance but also enhances the flavor of your meals. When it comes to ingredient selection, prioritizing fresh, whole ingredients is essential. Fresh produce, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats are the building blocks of nutritious and delicious meals. To create balanced meals, nutritionists recommend incorporating a variety of ingredients that provide a mix of macronutrients and micronutrients. Consider combining complex carbohydrates like quinoa or sweet potatoes with lean proteins such as chicken or tofu, and adding a colorful array of vegetables for added vitamins and minerals. This approach not only ensures a well-rounded meal but also adds depth and complexity to your dishes. When selecting ingredients for meal prepping, it's important to pay attention to quality and sourcing. Opt for organic produce when possible, choose sustainably sourced proteins, and look for whole grains that are minimally processed. By prioritizing high-quality ingredients, you can elevate the nutritional value and taste of your meals while supporting your overall health and well-being. Meal prepping tools. Essential equipment for streamlining the process and enhancing efficiency. Ready to take your meal prepping game to the next level? Introducing essential tools and equipment that can streamline the meal prepping process and make your life in the kitchen a whole lot easier. From kitchen gadgets to appliances, these tools are designed to enhance efficiency and help you prepare delicious and nutritious meals with ease. When it comes to meal prepping, having the right tools can make all the difference. Consider investing in kitchen gadgets like food scales for precise measurements, storage containers for keeping your prepped ingredients fresh, and meal prep trays for easy portioning and organization. These tools can help you stay organized and efficient throughout the meal prepping process. Quality knives and cutting boards are also essential tools for meal prepping. Sharp knives make chopping and slicing ingredients a breeze, while sturdy cutting boards provide a safe and stable surface for meal prep. Investing in high-quality knives and cutting boards can save you time and effort in the kitchen while ensuring precision and safety. Kitchen appliances like slow cookers and instant pots can be game changers when it comes to meal prepping. These versatile appliances allow you to cook large batches of food with minimal effort, making meal prepping a breeze. Whether you're batch cooking soups, stews, or grains, kitchen appliances can help you save time and energy while creating delicious and nutritious meals. Execution and planning. How to effectively execute meal prepping plans. Ready to dive into the world of meal prepping and make it a seamless part of your weekly routine? Let's walk through a step-by-step guide on how to effectively execute meal prepping plans and set yourself up for success in the kitchen. For beginners, it's helpful to outline a meal prepping schedule to follow each week. Start by selecting a day that works best for you to dedicate to meal prepping, whether it's a weekend day or a weekday evening. Create a meal plan for the week ahead, including breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks, to guide your prepping sessions. When organizing your meal prepping sessions, consider grouping tasks together for efficiency. Start by washing and chopping vegetables, then move on to cooking proteins and grains, and finally assemble meals in portioned containers. This systematic approach can help streamline the process and make meal prepping more manageable. Flexibility and adaptability are key components of successful meal prepping. While having a plan in place is important, it's also essential to be open to changes and adjustments as needed. Embrace the opportunity to experiment with new recipes, ingredients, and techniques, and don't be afraid to modify your meal prepping routine to suit your evolving needs and preferences. By staying flexible and adaptable, you can make meal prepping a sustainable and enjoyable part of your healthy lifestyle. As we wrap up our journey into the world of meal prepping, let's recap the key points discussed and inspire you to take action towards mastering this essential skill for a healthier and more efficient lifestyle. Throughout this video, we've highlighted the numerous benefits of meal prepping, from saving time and money to promoting better nutrition and overall well-being. By following nutritional guidelines and selecting the right ingredients, you can create balanced and flavorful meals that support your health goals. Now is the time to put your knowledge into practice and start implementing the meal prepping strategies you've learned. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, meal prepping can revolutionize the way you approach food and empower you to make healthier choices every day. We invite you to take the next step on your meal prepping journey by subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with others who can benefit from these valuable tips. Together, let's master the art of meal prepping and take control of our health and wellness one delicious meal at a time.